يحولوا أي كبدينو بدح مدك بيو أي صدانو برتمها وبيار القنيان والوغدا بالكولا وبريري وايو إيديكم قبسي وبابا جدا بالكي يحولوا أي كبدينو بدح مدك بيو أي صدانو برتمها وبيار القنيان والوغدا بالكولا وبريري وايو إيديكم قبسي وبابا جدا مبدأ لغو بليا تعينك أدم يهي
Mr. Abdul Karim, Finance Officer, all guests, Mr. Ali Sarah, and all Pharma team who are here today for welcoming this great opportunity. It's really a great opportunity for he gave this precious time to come here to visit Somalia, which we know it's very dangerous. But for Moumin Group, it's a group. It is a pharmaceutical leading company. That's why he's visiting us, and we are great here. So, if I give you a brief introduction about Moumin Pharma. Moumin Pharma is a leading pharmaceutical in Somalia because it does a wide range of variety products from Kenya, from Pakistan, from Egypt, from China, from India, and from Pakistan also. And we are very happy that we started Highnoon Laboratories, Kasocday, and Laboratories. And we are here today for welcoming this great man who visited us. Yesterday we were in Bakara market. Really, it was a great visit here that we visited all branches of Moumin Pharma. So I hope today this is a great time, and I hope we will get another chance for welcoming and visiting Mr. Sikandar. Thanks.
Today is the first day celebrating of Highnoon Laboratories and Moumin Pharma members. So today is the famous fairy day. We would like to thank Syed Mohammed to celebrating with members of the Moumin Pharma. We would like to product and high product quality of the Highnoon Laboratory, like arithmetic, 3 Orakis. All we know, the quality of the 3 Orakis in the market Bakara and situation of Somalia is highly claiting today after day. And Syed Mohammed, we would like to thank all the members. Thank you, Ms.
This event, to attend this moment to celebrate with Highnoon Company. As everybody knows, Highnoon Company and Moumin Pharma Health and Care start good relation from today. And also everybody knows around Somalia and outside that we have a capacity to sell more products here in Somalia and other countries. So I'm saying Mr. Highnoon, full representative who came from Pakistan, welcome to Mogadishu, the capital city of Somalia. Welcome to Moumin Pharma and Health, which is under Moumin Group of Companies. It's main medicine center in Somalia and leading medicine center in Somalia. And we can also we are very, very happy with you to share with us, to come here to see what is going on here as Moumin Pharma.
So I'm one of them, of the sub-managers of that place, special to the sales manager. And now every person sitting in this place, he knows our country is more problems, especially to the side of security. I think our country happens to the more violence, unless tranquility, unless calmness. Every person knows that. So our brother of Syed, who can dare to come our country, he knows the problem existed of that place. So I think every person is made. This is to the, I think to the good and good. What can I thinking for this? So again and again, all brothers talking to celebration, welcoming and etc. to talk. Our brothers taking to the speakers for this place. Now I say again and again, welcome to the Mogadishu. Welcome especially to the Moumin Pharma and Healthcare. You see, for this Pharma and Healthcare. This board, we come to standing for to the communication or to connection or to relationship or to goodies, the side of the drugs, especially to the, you can see the items for this place, Dobrin, Ataxin, 3 Orachis and others what can do for this place.
And Synergy OD.
Yes, Synergy OD, you can use to the Loratadine, antihistaminic, so inhibitor that can use to the GTI, gastrointestinal tract infections, and etc. More drugs comes for this place. And now the drugs comes to the Highnoon Laboratories is good quality, I think, because of all our population we can make to the very low with the triarchs, every person knows. Also, the cheap of the triarchs now you can buy for every person because of Moumin group comes to that goodies. So again and again I say welcome to the Muslim City.
Saying welcome as a representative from Highnoon Laboratories Limited Company. Coming from that, just we know a lot and more about Highnoon Company. The rest, we are waiting Mr. Mohammed to tell us about something about Highnoon Laboratory to get more information about Highnoon. So, whatever we are here today is to introduce as a friend and a good relationship between Mr. Mohammed and his company. So, you are getting me, I think you are getting me. I just don't get what is to say thank you for Mr. Mohammed.
As per the invitation from Syed Mohammed, and we are expecting that very soon we will expand further. We will add more products to this business, more than Kasocday, Artexin and Loprin. We have already selected some more products, and inshallah with the good support from all of the employees like you who are motivated and who are working for Moumin Pharma, which is one of the renowned groups in the pharmaceutical distribution and import in Somalia. We expect that this will be good for all of you as well, because once you have more coverage, more products with you, so inshallah it will be good for the business as well. And coming to Mogadishu, it is really a pleasure for me because being a Muslim brother country, we also really feel sympathies whenever there is any bombings inside Somalia or any other problem arises in Somalia. So in Pakistan also people pray for the prosperity and peace in Somalia. Even in the Jummah namaz, they pray for Somalia and all over the world, whoever Muslims are suffering. I have seen that there are new developments also in Mogadishu. So we hope that inshallah this new development, all the repairs of the roads and things get back to normal very soon, inshallah. So we pray for Somalia and we pray for the relations of Highnoon and Moumin group. Thank you so very much.
I think you have.
Yes.
And also you dress in Somali culture.
Yes. I am.
waxaan rajeynayaa inuu ka fiicnaan doono xiriirka hadda bilaaban doono awal annaga macaamiil ayaan u ahayn kambaniga la yidhaahdo Highnoon haddana insha allah waxaan u noqon doonaa macaamiil mid kasii duwan asigana waxaan ka rajeynaynaa waxyaabaha aan ka codsano dhan inuu noo fududayn doono insha allah marka waxaan ka codsanayaa inaad soo dhaweysaan Sikandar haddana quraac fudud ayaan cuni doonaa waxaan ku laaban doonaa shaqooyinkii
our country. So I'm very happy to see Mr. Syed Mohammed in our country because this company is a royal company in Somalia, Moumin group of company, especially your company. So I like to come back in our country again and again, and I say goodbye, Kwaheri in Swahili language and Italian language. Bye bye. So welcome.
Wala murugaysan yahay qosna.
Thank you.